Hey there! We are in San Francisco, California at the GitHub HQ, and I figured that this was the perfect place to answer the question that I am asked all the time, which is, how do you guys make the stickers? So, let's go to the source. Hey Cameron, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
What's the story behind the Octocat? Like, what's Mona's origin story?
One of the early engineers wanted to drop an image on the 404 page of the early website and went onto a stock image website and, as a reference to an octopus merge, grabbed an Octocat randomly.
Okay, so we have Mona, she's the OG, but like there are a bunch of other variants of Octocat as well. So why are there so many?
We found that the community responds best to all the individual ways that you make Octocats specific. And so they can put the stickers on their laptops or wear a shirt or make it their avatar on GitHub. And we can only do that if we had a bunch of different versions of Octocats.
Okay, so talk to me a little bit about the design process. Like, how do you come up with an idea for what Mona looks like?
We think of her as a mascot for the open source community. We want to respect that. We want people to like Mona. We don't want her to turn into some corporate shill. We just make sure that she's never selling you anything. She's not looking at the camera and teaching you anything.
So I heard a rumor that you were working on a new design. Can you tell me anything?
Yeah, you can look at it right here. The idea for this one is we wanted an illustration we haven't done before of Mona with her new friend, Copilot. I always like to work in Easter eggs that are very developer specific. You can notice like the shape of the wings or code brackets. There's a commit symbol on the side of her helmet. There's a bunch of iconography and references to the Git graph. Only the super fans are gonna get. But that's the kind of care and attention that we put into these things.
How do I go from this design into a sticker?
Oh, that you're gonna have to talk to Lavinia for.
To Lavinia we go. Hey Lavinia.
Hey!
So what do we have going on?
We are here printing GitHub's newest sticker.
I know that GitHub is a sticker company, but do we do anything else?
Actually, we're not a sticker company, even though we did sell over 100,000 sticker packs last year. That is close to 1 million stickers.
Holy What else do we sell in the shop other than stickers?
I mean, we sell hoodies, hats, joggers,
socks,
really anything that a developer would want to wear to really show that pride for GitHub. I mean, we're the ultimate developer uniform.
Light,
We have plushies, desk mats, Stanleys, Hydro Flask. And finally, we have the Art of the Octocat book, which outlines the whole history of Mona and how Mona basically became one of our coveted stickers.
Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to check that book out. Very, very cool. Now, when it comes to the stickers, do you have a favorite design?
The drippy letters is one of my favorites, and also our punk rock cat. So my identity is I love punk rock music, so when I put this on my laptop, people really get a sense of who I am.
Now, what happens next?
So we get the art asset from Cameron, and now we send it to our trusted sticker printer, and it goes through a big sampling process in terms of us making sure that the quality is up to par.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. And look at this. This is one of the very first stickers off the line. So we have gone from ideation to final form. I need to find a laptop to put this on. I want to thank Lavinia and Cameron for walking me through all of this stuff, and I will see you on the next Inside GitHub.